Hey all you stupid broke motherfuckers, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my original sandwich, the Dylonte Cristo. I made this. Do not steal, as it is my original content, and if I find out one of you losers stole my sandwich idea, it's on sight for the rest of your natural life. You feel me, son? Anyway, this sandwich is easy to make, so even you simple Simon motherfuckers can make this. All you need is bread, salt and peppy, 2 slices of pepper jack, thick bacon, butter, and last but not least, you're going to need some Peruvian pepper jack jam. Now, for me, this is easily attainable. My guy Paulie, he flies by night to Mexico where they make this shit. You though? Beats me. But you need this Peruvian pepper jam, otherwise you're just playing in the dirt like the subhuman anthropoid that you are. So we're gonna fry up the bacon first. You gotta give it a little spin, look into its eyes, tell it everything is going to be okay. Tell it that things are different now. And then drop her ass in the skillet that you have to set it to the low end of medium high. Now, I know it looks like I'm struggling here, but this actually activates the juices. Oh shit, you hear that? Juices activated. That means the juices were activated. So what I'm doing is right, okay? Now you gotta grill the bread with the butter. So you gotta grab the sharpest fucking knife in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did, and just haphazardly cut towards yourself as you slice a sexy little piece of butter off. Drop that shit in the pan. Woo! Yeah, pan's a little wet. Yeah, you think I give a fuck? I like clean things! Hey, stupid, did you forget about the bacon? Well, I didn't, because my mind is sharper than any atomic clock. Look at how I flip this bacon. I'm not gonna bother explaining the technique to you ingrates. At this point, you put the bread with the bacon. Ah, got your stupid ass. You really think? Paulie, look at this guy. They really thought I was gonna put the bread in the bacon. What a fucking retard. Anyway, we put it in the buttery baby pan so it sucks up that butter and get all crunchy. And you know, we gotta put the cheese on there so she can melt all up on this rotating bed. Yeah, some of y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh, how's the bacon? What do you mean? We just looked at it. It's fine. You panicked little fucking worm. Relax, dude. You're scaring the chicks away. Oh, some of y'all are probably like, this dude's stove is dirty. Yeah, well, don't worry about it. It's dirty because I fucking use it, fucko. Sorry, your mom hasn't come over in a while to clean it. She's getting reconstructive surgery after I blew out that fucking back out. Count your blessings and be glad she's still alive, bitch boy. Oh, and put some pepper on that cheese while you wait. It's called cooking, not waiting, so do something instead of maladaptive daydreaming for once in your miserable life. Freak. Hey, freak. Now harvest the bacon. Put that shit on a plate and fold it so it will fit in your little Sammy. Can't have the little meat flaps hanging out, Playboy. That shit would just be ill-fitting of a sandwich of this caliber. Most people wait till the bacon cools off to fold it, but I'm just gonna grab that shit. I'm from the O, my guy. My fingertips have touched hotter things, fuck boy. So we're gonna take that bacon and slide it right on that cheese, and then we're gonna tuck it in with another cheese slice, and then bread that bitch. Then carefully, very carefully, flip it. I'm gonna use my hands. O block, and yeah, it's a little dark. I got Don Cheadle when I was going for the light skinned brother from NCIS, but you know, we gonna make do. But hey, that char is gonna give us some smoke to complement that sweet, sweet jam. It's gonna be great, bro. And then now, put it on a black plate for Paulie. You know how he is. He's gotta have black everything now. Carefully retrieve the pan and watch as I use all my culinary skills to just flip this bitch on that plate. Hell yeah, Playboy. Panties rusted. Now all that is left. Now all that is left is for us to enjoy the fruits of our labors. Sit down in that cuck chair, and I'm about to show you how a real man fucks. Warning, warning, you are in the splash zone. And guess what? It's the most delicious sandwich I've ever eaten in this life. And all my past lives. Paulie, roll the credits.